In this video, we will look at adding a round with the minimum amount of information required. So from your account, go to rounds at the top of the screen. And from here, we're going to click on add a new round. So your previously used rounds will show up here, but since we haven't added any rounds yet, we will search for a course, and we're going to pick Lake Merced Golf Club. We get an option to pick which tees we're going to use, or we can add a new tee, but we're going to pick the green tees. Round types, dates, starting hole, we're going to pick practice, and go to step 4 to start the round entry process. So you can see here that we have a scorecard. You can click on this scorecard to move between holes. We also have a shot or a shot number here where we can move between shots on a particular hole. So let's add a score here on hole number 1 with the minimum amount of information required. So we have distance to the hole here and resulting lie, and those are the two mandatory pieces of information. So 395 is pre-filled from the course database, so we're going to leave it there, and then we're going to click fairway. So that adds 1 stroke to the scorecard, and that's all we need to do for shot number 1. So we're going to click on the next shot. So now we're in the fairway, and how far do we have to the hole? Let's say we have 125 yards. And our resulting lie was on the green. That's all we need to do. Go to the next shot. How far do we have to the hole? Let's say we have 15 feet, and then there's a bunch more information here that we don't need to input, because right now we're only looking for the minimum amount of information required, which is distance to the hole and resulting lie. And for the final putt, a 1 meter putt in the hole, and then we can click next hole. So now we have added 4 strokes to this first hole, and now we are already on hole number 2. So let's do that again a little bit faster. So 386 on the fairway, next shot 150, resulting lie rough perhaps if you miss the green, then 15 meters, resulting lie green. Now we're on the green. Let's say we have 5 meters and 2 meters, and then we made a bogey on hole number 2. All right, so you saw here that there was a tap in button, and we're going to take a look at how that works now. So now we're on hole number 3, which is a par 3, 169. Let's say we hit the green, click next shot, and then we have 5 meters, and then we hit it within half a meter or 2 feet from the hole. Then we can click next shot, tap in, and that adds another stroke to the hole and takes us to the next hole, and that speeds up the process. So there you have it, distance to the hole and resulting lie. That's all you need in order to add a round to Anova.